Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. So in this video I want to talk about my GoPro and also tell you guys about the GoPro Hero 8 and GoPro Hero 9. So let's start. You get three variants with the GoPro Hero White, the GoPro Hero Grey and the GoPro Hero Black. The black is the highest and the most expensive and also has a better quality. First let's talk about the GoPro Hero 7, the one I have. So it has 12 megapixel camera, it can take super photo, you can do live streams, and also it has hyper smooth stabilization. You can take 4K videos and 180 60 frames per second video also. You can also do 8K slow-mo and time wrap option is also there. You can also connect the GoPro with your phone wirelessly and also control your GoPro and share the videos from GoPro to your phone. Also guys, I have some GoPro accessories like the extra battery, like the shorty tripod and the chesty. And also I have attached a GoPro mount to my helmet. After the GoPro Hero 7 was announced, GoPro announced the GoPro Hero 8, and at first I was like I could have waited and get the GoPro Hero 8, but as I saw the reviews, the GoPro Hero 8 was not that different from the previous generation Hero 7. The GoPro Hero 7 comes for 28,000 rupees. This is the market price right now, and the GoPro Hero 8 comes for 38,000 rupees. So as you can see, the difference is of 10,000 rupees. If you guys are confused between the two, my suggestion would be, if you can compromise a little bit on the quality, go for the Hero 7, and also you will get the GoPro Hero 7 cheaper than the GoPro Hero 8. And if you need a little bit good quality, though the difference is not that much, then you can go for the Hero 8. But remember guys, the GoPro Hero 8 is 10,000 rupees more expensive than the Hero 7. As the GoPro Hero 8 is not the latest GoPro, GoPro has announced new GoPro Hero 9, and that is the latest camera. The GoPro Hero 9 is not yet launched in India, it will be launched pretty soon. You get a front screen on that. Also the stabilization has improved a lot, and you can also decide when the camera starts recording and when it stops. This feature really comes handy when you are shooting some time lapses. As I said, the GoPro Hero 9 is not yet launched in India, it will be launched pretty soon. The price for that will be 49,000 rupees. Yes guys, it is almost 50,000 rupees. Now let's talk about the issues with the GoPro. From the GoPro Hero 5 to the GoPro Hero 8, they have not really changed the design, small tweaks here and there, and that's it. Second issue is the audio quality. You cannot attach a mic directly to the GoPro. You need to buy a GoPro adapter that comes for 5,000 rupees. Then you have to buy a Ulanzi case. Now I don't know if they have improved the audio quality on the GoPro Hero 9. And guys, if you are looking for a vlogging camera, don't go for the GoPro. Do it with your phone. Your phone is much more capable than you think, because with the GoPro you need to buy an adapter which comes for 5,000 rupees, and then you have to buy an Ulanzi case, then you have to buy a mic, and all of that stuff. But with your phone you can do it easily. But when you are doing some action like riding cycle or swimming or something like that, you cannot take your phone, or you cannot mount your phone on your helmet or something like that. For that you need a GoPro. If you guys want to buy the GoPro Hero 7 or the GoPro Hero 8, there will be a link in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. Okay guys, so that is it for this video, and just an announcement, I have crossed 350 plus subscribers, so that's really cool. And if you like this short and simple video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Until the next one, see ya and stay safe.